Good morning, welcome back to Autosport Designs. Today we're going to be looking at this beautiful Sunbeam Tiger. Now Sunbeam, they had the other cars, but the Tiger means it's got a V8 in it, which is awesome. Little 260 V8, 4-speed manual. It's like a mini Cobra. Hop on in, do a cold start, we'll take it for a ride. Okay, so here we are in our Sunbeam Tiger. It's the original colors, numbers matching. We have a certificate of authenticity, or a heritage certificate, as you like to say. Turn the key on, pump it once, hear the fuel pump going, put my foot down a little bit. Ooh, listen to that V8 roar. We will warm her up and we'll be back to you. So we got a little temperature in our Sunbeam Tiger. It's one of those cars that everybody looks at you, everybody wants to know what it is. You can hear that V8, such a great sounding little V8, 260 V8, 4-speed manual, clutch, gearbox, feels so good. I'm almost 6'3" and I fit in here quite well, especially with the steering wheel that is adjustable in and out. That helps a lot. Such a great little driving car. I think these are very underrated for what they are. Considering prices of Cobras, and not only original Cobras, but reproduction Cobras, this is a great bargain. And so usable. But again, great little V8 grumble. It just purrs like a kitten at idle. Really, really nice. You got 2 points of horn. You can do the horn on the, or you can do it on the dash. Comes with a hardtop as well, which we'll show you a picture of that. The soft top completely stows away out of sight behind you, so it's a very clean look. Great wood wheel. Goes really well. Yet purrs around town. You can put this around, or you can get on it and not be disappointed. We'll come up here to the S's and we'll put it through her paces a little bit for you. All right, we're gonna come up to the S's here. Really can't beat that V8 sound. It's so nice. A lot of fun, these cars. My goodness. Good steering response there. Pulls so well. My goodness, what a great little car. We're going to come up here and we will do some flybys for you. Okay, hope you guys enjoyed that. I definitely did. Again, you listen to that V8, it just sounds so good, so crisp, so clean. It really is like driving a easy to drive Cobra. A little more comfortable. A couple things need to be taken care of. The fuel gauge doesn't work and the speedometer doesn't work. Otherwise than that, it's a pretty nice little car. We're going to come up here to the farm road and we'll take her through the gears a little bit for you. All right, here we are coming up to the farm road. great sound, clutch, gearbox. Feels so good in this car. Good steering response. All the way up through the gears. Cruises effortlessly. Really great little car. So I hope you guys enjoyed this one. I definitely did. Got to avoid the rain a little bit today, so that was great. And like and subscribe if you're not already subscribed. Comment below as well. And we will catch you on the next one.